Hey, it's Friday, and welcome, Math 2 class people. Hunter, Matt, Claire. Okay, today's problems, 13 to 24, are kind of tricky, okay? We have to use information from yesterday's assignment to solve them, okay? So you're gonna have to take that form that you shared with me, and let's hope that you've figured everything correct to this point, because things are going to change a little differently for this one. All right, so we are doing the problems 13 to 24 today. Okay, and on these, we're going to figure that we're doing it, and oh, that may be a little too high. Okay, I'm going to put it down below. We're going to figure that we're doing an 800-mile trip, and then we're going to find out how much it's going to cost for the gasoline based on the miles per gallon. Okay, so here's how we do that. We're going to take the answer from like number 7. Let's see if we can recall. I believe the estimated answer for number 7 was 18 miles per gallon. Okay, so if we went ahead and did that, then we've got to divide 18 miles per gallon and then figure out how many gallons of gas that we're going to be using for an 800-mile trip. Okay? Now, I know they have gallons of gas used in that first exercise up there, but don't pay attention to that one. We have to find the new amount of gallons that we use for an 800-mile trip. Okay? So it's each problem is going to be an 800-mile trip, and we're going to divide by the miles per gallon from the previous exercises. So you'll need to remember what answers you got for number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Take that 800 and divide it by your answer. For number 7, I believe we said our answer was 18. Hold on, let me get my calculator so I'm on base with you guys. Okay, I'm back. So I take 800 and divide it by 18. Okay, and it says in our directions to round up to the nearest $10 when we go to figure it. Okay, so first it says find the approximate cost of the gas for an 800-mile trip, round up to the nearest $10. Use the estimated miles per gallon from the table above. Well, when I went ahead and did that, I divided, I got like 44.44444444. Let's just round to the nearest whole number and get rid of our decimal on these. So we'll take 44 and say, for the whole trip, we're going to use 44 gallons of gas. Okay? So then, for brand Y, you have to take that answer and multiply it times 1.079. So I'm going to clear my answer off and take 44 gallons and times it by 1.079. Okay? That got me $47 and 40.476 cents. What it said is to do is to estimate to the nearest $10. So we're rounding to the tens place, which is our very first number on this one. So the answer was 47.6, and we're rounding to the tens place, that spot right there. So find a place, go next door, 5 or better, add 1 more. That's our rounding rule. Okay, so it is 5 or better. So we're going to estimate for problem number 13, the amount of gas that you're going to use, or the amount of money you're going to spend for gas is going to be about $50. Okay, let's do the same thing, but with number 19 now. That's the one below it. All we did was change the brand of gas. So on 19, we're going to use the same number. 18 that we divided, so that was when we divided 18 into 800, we got 44.4444 repeating, and then we rounded it to just 44. So on 19, we're going to take that same 44 and multiply it by a new price. Now, why they didn't number them like up and down instead of going across, I don't know. It just makes it a little bit more confusing, I think. But number 19 is for that same car A. So then I take that times 1.102. Okay? Get our calculator out again. 44 times 1.102. And that gave me 48.488. Once again, I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, $10. So I look at this one, go next door, and that gas is going to be approximately $50 too. So I get the same answer for 13 and 19, approximately $50 per tank. Okay? I'm wondering, should I go through another problem here for you? Okay? Let's try problem B. Now, Mr. Lindblad has to refigure because I don't remember my answer to problem B on number 8. So let me do a real refiguring. 12, 9, 23, subtract 10, 5, 6, 7. That gave me, miles driven was 2,300 gallons of gas used. 97. Divide that by 97. Okay, so on car B, the answer for number 8 on car B, you should got 24 miles per gallon when we rounded it. So when we get down to 14, the first thing we got to do is we take answer to 8 and we divide 24 into 800. Okay? So 800 divided by 24. My answer becomes 33.333333. So I round that to 33. And I multiply it times the first brand Y of gasoline, which is 1.079 gallons of gas. I wish gas was at that price right now. Okay, it may get there. I don't know, it keeps getting lower. All right, so 33 times 1.079. And I ended up with an answer of 35.607. Once again, we're rounding to the nearest tens place. Okay, so I look to the one to the right. That's 5 or better. We're going to round up. So the answer to 14 is $40 of gas. About. Okay, approximately. Okay, then we do the one below it, which is 20. Like I said, these are weirdly numbered. I wish they would have went up and down with their numbers. 33 times the other brand of gas, which is 1.102. That one came out to 36.366. Round that one to the nearest 10. Once again, our answer became 40. I hope you can see that over there. But both answers for 14 and 20 are 40. 13 and 19 were both 50. So I did 4 of the, about 10 problems that you're supposed to do today. Okay? Look through these examples. See if you can make sense out of them. Go ahead and try to get them done today. All right? I hope this video helps. All right? If not, email me. Ask questions. I'll try to help you out that way too. All right. Have a good day. See you later.